Assalamu alaikum. This is Sohel Rana again. Today we are working in lithium iron battery. It's a very big battery. So I removed from the pack here. So this 20Ah. Okay. This 3.2 volt 20Ah one pack battery. So one pack coming 4 page. This battery dead. So here you can see dead. Okay, is approximately dead, but I apply some voltage here from power supply 4 volt. Is dead, not take any current inside. So there is a way to repair this one. So it's very dangerous and very complicated. If you know, you try. Okay, but don't try in your face. Just you put like this and try. So this one is not taking any volt, any amps. I put power supply. So after that I apply here little squeezer here to inside this hole and just push inside. Okay, and then make punch here, and then you just put the voltage again, try it is working and not. So it's not, you try again. It's activate now. See, it's take some voltage. So I check by multimeter now. Look at this. See, it's coming 2 volts. It's live now. It's live. This battery is live. That's all. Thank you for watching. Assalamu alaikum.